How to make reposts videos public on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, if we went and opened up TikTok and navigated to the reposts videos section, we will see that there's a text right here. As you can see, it says videos you repost are visible to your friends, meaning that the repost videos are already public but to friends only. However, if we navigate it to the privacy in the section where you can control the privacy of everything on your TikTok, we cannot see the reposts option right here, meaning that as of right now we cannot change the privacy for the reposts videos, meaning they are automatically set to be visible and public to friends only, but we could not change their privacy yet to be public for everyone. So maybe in the future TikTok will allow us to and enable this option to like have a privacy feature for the repost videos, where we'll be able to set them to be public for everyone. But as of right now, the videos are only public to friends only. So that was it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.